Welcome to Bullsbear YouTube channel. Today's topic, swing trading strategy, how to select stocks. I will show how to select the stocks since in NSE and BSE we have 5000 stocks. So out of 5000 stocks, we have to select based on a 1 hour time frame chart. So I'm using here chart links for selecting the stocks. Now we'll go how to select the stocks. I will demonstrate. First you have to go to Google. So in Google, in the search bar, write a chart link. So go to chart link. So in a chart link, I held dashboard. So I have already selected a few of them. This I have already created. The conditions which we have. So stocks pass all the below filters in cash market. So if you want a bank nifty, you can select ETF, futures, gold nifty. Any of either index you can select. So just I've selected the cash market. So we'll select all the cash markets available in NSE and BSE. So it will filter and give. So this you have to see in 1 hour chart frame in trading view. So just I will give a run. So based on 5000 stocks, we have one stocks that is called Deepak Fertilizer and Petrochemical Corporation Limited. So out of 5000, this selected only one stock based on our conditions. So this I already told, this you have to see in 1 hour time frame. So just double click, I will copy, then I will go to trading view. So in a trading view, this I have already selected, that is Deepak Fertilizer and Petrochemical. Just click on that. So I'm in 1 hour time frame. You can see the time frame. So 1 hour time frame, now it's a bullish signal. So just I will switch on the Ichimoku. So in Ichimoku, see here, in TS line and KS line is both are breakout. That means you can take and 23rd October, if you are using this strategy, you can take 10929.54. That means 1030. If you take a buy signal of 1030, just I will write on here buy at 1030. So in 1 hour time frame, there is no sell-off signal till this green line is telling that 1109. Select 1109, and your stop loss should be a 101001. Your SL is 100, not 100. Yeah, 1001. So then how much is the percentage you can earn? This I will measure. that is 9.27 percentage. 9.2 is the percentage of profit in how many days? So you are buying it 23rd October and you are selling it 24th October in 1 day. This is a swing trading. Thank you, and I know.